got some of it,
Oh, that's decent. That was a small thing. Yeah, it look heavy as fuck. Oh.
That covers her Target, too.
And she ain't got much to sauce that car. Yeah. Yeah, that was a good idea.
Look what we did. Look what we did, though.
I know, that's what I said. That's
Put the, we try to get that over there. We only had something.
No, it kept on
I ain't
blowing.
gonna mess with this for the morning.
No, I'm a trouble phone now because
Yeah.
Hey, you know, I'm gonna hit it in the morning,
it's
though.
supposed to stop at it's supposed to stop at 10 o'clock. But I'm trying to get some of it
You
down.
hit it now, and I'm gonna hit it.
You on the
Okay.
2 infantry.
That's
I got that good show right there. You see that?
Hey, like I said, if you hit it now, I'm gonna hit it in the morning.
how we do it. Oh, it was too happy to. It was happy.
It's got a few steps.
Just put it right over there, man. Yeah.
School tomorrow. I already touched school though.
Yeah, I gotta go to work.
You don't?
Nope. It's gonna be a few months. That shit, I ain't got. And they're gonna be icy tomorrow too.
Huh?
And they're gonna be icy tomorrow. Be comfortable. Don't work your heart too much. That's a lot of fucking snow. Damn. You can't even lift that shit. Yeah. There's gonna be piles of snow in the street, man.